how to change display language in Excel. So in order to do that, firstly open the Microsoft Excel on your computer. After that, you'll get to see the Excel option or blank worksheet option available there. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the Excel worksheet. So here all you have to do is tap on the settings icon available in the top right corner or right next to your name. After you tap on it, you'll get to see the language and time zone. Tap on the change your language option available there. Now in Excel options dialog box, select the language tab, and here you can see the long list of different languages. Choose any of your desired languages according to your preferences. So here I'm choosing any one of them uh, for just an example. So I'm choosing the Bengali language for an example. So update your display language, and here you can see it is updated. So that is it, guys. After following these steps, Excel should now display in the language you selected. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.